I started the company back in 1982 with one employee and myself, and we started out just shaping splines for other people's parts, and then got into more and more complex gears as the company progressed.
When I first started, they were renting a bay in an industrial area. Probably a couple years after I started, they bought this building, which was only the third of its size. And since then, they've expanded like 3 times.
Now it's 65,000 square feet. Back then it was like 20. Very small compared to now.
Aero is a privately owned company, so the growth has been all from the work of the people and the people that work here. Our ability to satisfy our customer and make good parts and make our product faster and better than anybody else.
It has a deep bench of people that have had a lot of experience in the gear business.
We've got a workforce that is very team-based.
We have a nice mix of very experienced people, 30-plus years manufacturing, processing gears, with the younger people coming in. That knowledge and the ability to manufacture and produce aerospace gears and gearboxes.
We make various kinds of gears, spur gears, spiral bevel gears. We manufacture gearboxes, which is the whole assembly. It's a commodity that's not a lot out there.
I think a strength of Aero Gear is the experience we have, as well as expansion into design engineering for gears and gearbox accessories.
And that technology now, we can actually simulate machining a gear on a computer before we actually machine it. So you problem solve before it happens, and then your productivity and your quality goes up because the problems are already solved before we even put the part in the machine.
The unique thing that we do is we carburize and harden our own gears. So we make them in the soft end, we harden them, and then we do all the precision grinding at the end of it.
And after they're heat treated, we fine grind the teeth to form within plus or minus 2/10. A lot of them are. Some of them are even closer than that. So that's really fun.
We have what we call a roaming inspection, where we are constantly in the lines, verifying and checking and making sure that we're following the proper procedures and ensuring quality in the work. We do a lot of CMM inspection in the process.
We have good, high-quality equipment to not only make them, but to measure them. We use SPC programs and things like that to keep things under control.
You can't inspect in quality. You have to build it into your processes and your systems.
There's literally only a small handful of companies in the world that can do what we do. And, of course, I believe that we do it better than anyone.
What makes Aero Gear more competitive is that we are a lean leader. We pride ourselves on making a good part as quickly as possible and using lean thinking, lean technology to advance our company into one of the bigger, better competitors in gear manufacturing.
That's why we do the Kaizen events, so we can stay lean. And that's what we're looking for when we do a Kaizen event, to see how we can lean out the process.
We'll get teams of manufacturing, personnel, engineering, and quality together to troubleshoot how we can do things differently and faster, more efficient, and obviously better.
The supplier goal or UTC goal distinction, it's a very difficult threshold to meet by suppliers. It's a long, arduous process. You need to be close to perfect on delivery, you need to be perfect on quality, and you need to be perfect on all the other attributes that the customers are looking for. And we've achieved that.
Quality obviously is critical in aerospace. It is a given. It is the price of admission, as we like to say. But really, the work is the people, the processes that we do up front to make sure that every part we ship is perfect. And in our industry, that's the only thing that's acceptable.
Anybody can have a building with machines in it, but when you have a highly skilled group of people all working together towards a common goal, you can do great things.
And teamwork is really important for the success of anything. It doesn't matter whether you're in sports or anything else. Sometimes it's the chemistry of a team that works better than their skills. And that works well here at Aero Gear.
It's the tough business. It's not a lot of people can make gear in the world.
Aero Gear provides a level of experience and knowledge that a lot of our competitors just don't have.
We don't have the pressures of the quarterly Wall Street earnings and all that. We are able to focus our energies strictly into satisfying our customers.
The people here really care about their work, and I think that's because the company actually cares about the people.
I actually feel good coming into work because I know I'm working on stuff to make a difference.
Every gear manufacturer has high-tech machinery, and every gear manufacturer has good procedures, but I truly believe it's the people behind those machines running them. It comes down to the people, it does.
When customers come to Aero Gear, they can count on us, they can trust us to do whatever it takes to get the job done on time, and it's about excellence in what we do. So if you're insisting on excellence, Aero Gear is the place to come.